Hi judges, Brenda Hogsett here, and this is video 6 of my age management category of the Skin Games. In my age management case study with Miss Gay Stevens, the key to achieving such visible transformation was in the performance ingredients I selected to target collagen loss, fine lines, pigmentation, and cellular decline. For my professional treatments, I use the ProCell Therapies MD System Serum, which contains recombinant growth factors such as IGF-1 and TGF-beta-3. These ingredients are the foundation of skin regeneration science. They signal the body's natural repair mechanisms, stimulating fibroblast activity, encouraging neocollagenesis and neoelastin production, and accelerating the wound healing cascade without inflammation. The formula also contains niacinamide, which improves barrier function and brightens uneven tone, palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7, which helps inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines that lead to premature aging, and carnosine, a powerful anti-glycation peptide that protects skin proteins from oxidative damage. Together, these ingredients deliver measurable improvements in texture, elasticity, and overall dermal vitality. For home care, I integrated Meter's Biohacking skincare line, which leverages biometric peptides, pre- and postbiotics, and active molecules that work at the cellular communication level to regulate melanogenesis, balance the microbiome, and restore stratum corneum integrity. Mater's formulations also support mitochondrial function, optimizing how the skin uses energy, repairs itself, and resists oxidative stress. By combining ProCell's growth factor technology with Mater's neurocosmetic and biohacking actives, I was able to create a synergy that addressed every layer of aging, from the dermal matrix to the microbiome, resulting in smoother texture, improved tone, and renewed resilience in Miss Gay skin. I'm Brenda Hogsett, and thank you for watching my video 6 submission in the age management category of the Skin Games.